Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. More like the bingo blitz, how to complete to be 7 to reach to be levels, guys. This is the everything more easily, not just to be explaining you something about this game, and you will be helping to you. And I hope you will be never skipping my video because I will be more helping to you how to be complete to be 70 levels in 7 days. 7 days. So, guys, this is the everything more easily, not just explain you something about this game, then you will be easily understand know what I am asking to you. So be end of watching this video, then you will be understand how to complete to be this game. So I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be more helping to you. So guys, always to be sharing my video, and this is the more important video for you. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game and I will be explain you all about this game. So little I will be skipping this video because like we already know this game. Okay guys, first of all you will be know like be this is the tables like the 4 tables, but I will be suggested you 3 tables you will be using now because this is the more important for you, because many people sometimes not to be know 4 tables not to be good for you because then you will be many or misses the boxes number, so then you will be never understand no. So I will be completely guide to you and you will be never skipping this video. I will be starting this game and little to be skipping this video because gets ready to bingo. Okay, let's start now. And before you will be checking also to be here. Okay, so G for the O77, O77, G54, G54 like we not to be have
O63, N42,
O63, 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 O63. B10, 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 B10 using no B10, G57, G57 to be using no G57, G57, no sorry. Okay, O75, O75, you will be trying or you will be N41, 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 N41. You will be clicking on the section I-29, 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 now we have I-20, I-90,
N44,
N44, N44, N44, N44,
O68,
O68, O68, O68, B1. B1 now we have
B13,
B30, 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 B30 not we have G50, 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 G50 not we have before. Yes, I have
B11,
before I have B11,
N32,
B11s and 32
I30,
we have I30,
N43,
I30, and 32, and 32,
G56,
G56, G56, oh sorry, have
I21,
I21, I21,
O73,
I21, I21, O73,
O74,
O73, O74, O74,
G58,
I18, 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 not we have G58,
I25,
G58. Okay, I will be trying to with this. Now have
G52,
I25, I25, I25,
O65,
G52, G52.
G46, round over.
So round hours now, not to be problems, just to be. Sometime you will be complete to be more. Like this is the tap to skipping now. Okay, so this type is gaming now because all about this is the everything easily now just to be tapping using. I will be suggested to you to be better because 3 like be more disturb to me, like be more than to be starting, more to be starting, so to be easily everything to be this ends. Okay, Get bingo to be ready. Okay,
N39.
N39. Okay.
065.
065. 065.
I-21.
I-21. Okay, I have.
N33.
N33.
B13.
B13.
G51.
G51s.
070.
070 not to be have.
G53.
G53.
N35.
N35.
B50.
B12. B15.
I-28.
I-28. I-28.
073.
073. Sorry.
G57.
G57s. Not to be
B3.
have. B3.
G49.
G49 not to be have.
N42.
N42 no we have.
I-25.
I-25 now we have.
067.
067s
I-22.
now we have.
072.
072 now to be have.
G58.
G58.
I-29.
I-29.
G56.
G56 now we have.
N43.
N43.
G60.
G60.
I-17.
I-70.
074.
074 now we have.
B11.
B11s.
N32.
N32.
B8.
B8.
B9.
B9 now we have.
064. Round over.
64. So this type this game and you will be easily to complete to be this your game, because this is the all of everything easily, not to be anything hard, because some of people sometimes not to be understand. So guys, this type this game and you will be easily to complete to be your games. So this type this game and I will be completely guide to you using to be 2 box, then you will be easily complete to be this task. So thank you so much for you watching my video.